Good news for iPhone users. Apple's latest iOS 26.1 update is here, but it's already stirring up drama. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. iOS 26.1 brings sleek new liquid glass customization options and a batch of handy features, but early adopters are reporting a serious side effect that your battery might start disappearing faster than your morning coffee. The update dropped on November 3rd and promises more control over your liquid glass interface with improved camera gestures, upgraded security, enhanced haptics, smarter alarms, and even accessibility and translation improvements. It's the kind of update iPhone fans usually scramble to install, but many are now noticing that their iPhones are heating up and draining power unusually fast, which has sparked panic across social media. However, Apple insists there's no need to panic. According to the tech giant, this battery burn is normal after major updates. Why? Because your iPhone isn't just sitting pretty, it's hard at work behind the scenes. They said the phone quietly downloads new assets, updates apps, and completes setup processes, all of which can temporarily spike battery usage and even make the phone run warmer than usual. The intensity of this drain varies by user, and it's not unique to iOS 26.1 either. It happens with almost every major release, so while your battery might look like it's on deathbed right now, it should stabilize once all the background process is finished. The main thing is iOS 26.1 bringing plenty of juicy new features and customization options. But if your battery's suddenly plunging, it's just your iPhone settling in. Patience is key, and soon you'll be enjoying all the new perks without the power panic. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, drop a like, and comment what you think about this.